On this lesson, we're going to be learning about alternate angles and corresponding angles. I'm going to start with explaining what corresponding angles are. What you want to do is imagine that these four angles are together, okay? Corresponding angles. So if you look at the number 1, it's in the top left of this circle. Maybe we should make a box of this box. The top left of this box is the 5. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. So you kind of want to see where they're at. Top right, angle 2 is going to go with the top right, angle 6. So to do corresponding angles or to look at corresponding angles, you have to look at these four angles that are together and their position. So the bottom left, 3 and 7 would be corresponding, and the bottom right, 4 and 8 would be corresponding. Okay, now we're going to look at alternate interior angles. So first, to do interior, we're looking at these four right here. So these are interior angles. Now, alternate are talking about across from the line. So 4 and 5 are alternate interior angles. So then the other two, 3 and 6, are the other two pair for alternate interior. Now the exterior angles are going to be the 1 and the 2 and the 7 and the 8. And they're here and I don't know how to say right there. So alternate exterior would be like the 1 and the 8. And then the other two alternate exterior would be the 2 and the 7. Okay, so those are kind of the things that you need to know to be able to pass this off. And I would maybe take some notes on those things so you can kind of get clear in your mind. Which is which and what is what and when is why. Okay, so we're looking at, to begin with, alternate exterior angles. So they want these alternate exterior. So we're looking at these four because they're outside the two lines. The alternate are going to be 1 and 8 or 5 and 4. You get to pick which one. I'm just going to go with 1 and 8. Wait, 1 and 8, yeah. Now we're going to look at alternate interior. And to do interior, we're looking at these four. And alternate would be across the line. So 2 and 7 or 6 and 3. You get to pick. I'm going to just do 2 and 7. And then corresponding angles. We want to look at our box of 4. And let's just do this bottom left here, 1 and 3. Those two would be corresponding. Okay, we'll do one more. Okay, we're going to start. This one is, they're asking for alternate interior. So we're looking inside the two lines and we want to alternate sides. So we'll just do the 3 and the 6. And then alternate exterior angles. We have, we're looking for exterior. So that would be the 1 and the 2 and the 7 and 8, but we want alternate, so we have to go across. So 7 and 2 or 1 and 8. I'll just pick 7 and 2. But when you're doing these problems, you get to pick which pair you want to do. You don't have to, do the same ones I do. It's just whatever you want to do. Corresponding angles, we have to look at the box of 4 numbers together. Let's just do the top right, 2 and 6. Those are going to be corresponding. Other pairs that you could use 1 and 5, or 3 and 7, or 4 and 8. So it's just where they are located within that box. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.